Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my whole YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel Crochet Fashion. So how are you all? Hope you are very well today, guys. I have shared with you different gorgeous babies related video and different amazing designs. Hope everyone like more amazing ideas. Like so much amazing videos. If any videos related to any pattern, related to any gorgeous ideas. So I will more attractive, more stunning videos. These designs are so stunning design. Also amazing videos, and if any videos related to any pattern, related to any gorgeous videos. बेबी गर्ल स्कर्ट्स डिज़ाइंस की आज की वीडियो है। क्रोचेट स्कर्ट्स डिज़ाइंस और अमेजिंग वीडियोस हैं और सो गोर्जियस आइडियाज़ हैं। So beautiful, so elegant designs for demanding videos are uploaded for you. And different colors are so amazing designs are depending on your choice. And easily carry these babies for mini parties, mini skirts, and different scavely guests for you. So I will more attractive, more stunning videos. You like this video and share with all family members, all subscribers. These are more elegant ideas and different gorgeous videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and more gorgeous ideas. More stunning videos are uploaded for you. And these designs are so amazing design. Also gorgeous videos. So I will more attractive, more stunning videos. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. If any videos related to any pattern, related to any gorgeous ideas. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my whole YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel Crochet Fashion. So how are you all? Hope you are very well today, guys. I have shared with you different gorgeous babies related video and different amazing designs. Hope everyone like more amazing ideas.